Good morning, day 62 of 75 hard. Have you ever been sore from working out? I mean, if you've ever worked out in your life, it's probably a yes. So something interesting that I've noticed, and one of my clients actually mentioned the other day is, so I've lifted weights every single day of 75 hard this time. I've never done that before. So this will be 62 days in a row that I've had a weight training session. And I'm not really sore. You know, I'm a little tight here and there. If I did heavy squats yesterday, so my quads feel a little bit today, but nothing like leg day soreness that people talk about where you walk around like you got a cob up your ass and you're scared to get on and off the toilet. I don't have any of that. One of my clients who's been coming in for the better part of the last year now, but he's been super consistent over the last like 6 to 8 weeks. And he mentioned something to me the other day too about not being as sore, even though we're lifting heavier, like he's getting stronger, he's lifting heavier than he ever has in his life, but he doesn't feel sore. And he kind of looks at me and goes, consistency really is the key, isn't it? I'm like, sure the fuck is. So that's your lesson today, folks. Like, we have to be consistent with this stuff. It's better when you are consistent. If you go work out today and you get super, super sore and then you don't work out again for 3 days because you're sore, and then you do that again and then you get really sore, and that's where people fail real fast, because you're like, fuck, I don't want to feel like this all the time. This sucks. If you just keep moving, I promise it gets better. You know, you got to train smart. Don't train like an idiot, like hire a coach. This guy. But if you are consistent, you won't feel so terrible. That goes for everything in life. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later.